Happy New Year's! These are the codes for Dr. Rosenthal's NCE CPCE and CECE for January 2025. These codes are set to expire on January the 31st, so make sure that you take the time to do these quiz codes. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section of this video. Once again, happy studying and Happy New Year. Here are the codes for Dr. Rosenthal's counseling exam study questions. We have human growth and development, social and cultural foundations, counseling and help in relationships, groups, careers, research, professional orientation and ethics, assessment, and advanced concepts for family counseling. Keep in mind, as I said before, these codes are set to expire January 31st. So if you haven't taken the time to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so. That way you get the notification when new codes come out.